Replacing an entry door may seem like a straightforward upgrade, but the quality of the installation has a lasting impact on comfort, security, and overall performance. While many homeowners focus on choosing the right door style, who installs the door is just as important. For homeowners in Redmond, working with professionals who understand local conditions and building standards can make a meaningful difference in how well an entry door performs over time. Understanding local home construction styles. Homes vary widely in age, materials, and construction methods. Entry door installation requires careful attention to these details. Local installers are familiar with the types of homes commonly found in Redmond. This knowledge allows them to anticipate challenges such as uneven frames, older door openings, or unique architectural details that require customized solutions. Accounting for local climate conditions. Weather conditions play a major role in how entry doors perform. Temperature changes, moisture, and seasonal shifts all affect door materials and seals. Professionals with local experience understand how Redmond's conditions impact door performance. They install entry doors with proper sealing and alignment to help maintain comfort and prevent future issues related to air or moisture infiltration. Ensuring proper fit and alignment. A poorly fitted door can cause drafts, operational problems, and security concerns. Local experts know how to assess door openings accurately and make necessary adjustments. In Redmond homes, this attention to fit ensures doors close securely, operate smoothly, and maintain their performance over time. Familiarity with local building requirements. Every area has building requirements and standards that must be followed during home upgrades. Installers with local expertise understand what's required in Redmond. This helps ensure entry door installations meet expectations and avoid complications that can arise from overlooked details. Protecting against common installation mistakes. Many door issues stem from rushed or inexperienced installation. Gaps, uneven frames, and improper sealing can reduce door performance. Local professionals are aware of common challenges in Redmond homes and take steps to prevent them. Their experience helps avoid mistakes that can lead to future repairs or discomfort. Enhancing long-term comfort and energy efficiency. Entry doors serve as a barrier between indoor and outdoor environments. Proper installation is essential for maintaining comfort. With local expertise, installers ensure doors are sealed correctly and insulated properly. Redmond homeowners benefit from doors that help maintain stable indoor temperatures and reduce unnecessary energy loss. Improving security and peace of mind. Security starts with proper installation. Even the strongest door can fall short if it isn't installed correctly. Local professionals understand how to secure entry doors effectively. For Redmond homeowners, this means improved peace of mind knowing the door is installed to perform as intended. Supporting reliable performance over time. Doors experience daily use. Over time, improper installation can cause shifting, sticking, or misalignment. Installers with experience in Redmond homes account for long-term performance. Their methods help doors remain reliable and easy to use for years. Providing personalized guidance and support. Local experts often offer personalized recommendations based on home layout, usage, and homeowner preferences. Redmond homeowners benefit from working with professionals who understand local homes and can tailor installation details to fit individual needs. A smart choice for lasting results. An entry door is more than a design feature, it's a functional investment. For homeowners in Redmond, local expertise matters when it comes to entry door installation. Knowledge of local homes, climate, and standards ensures doors are installed properly, perform reliably, and deliver lasting comfort and security. Choosing local professionals helps protect your investment and ensures your new entry door truly enhances your home.